Wenling Washing Brothers Machinery Company Limited, established in 2014, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale and service of different gearboxes and machining parts. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced equipment including CNC machines, teeth grinding machines, and 3D print machines. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as USA, Europe, and Southeast Asia. We have over 500 different customers involved in a wide variety of industries. By becoming a valued strategic outsourcing partner, we enable our customers to focus their resources on design, top-level assembly, system testing, and aftermarket service. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Washing Brothers always abide by principle of quality first and user foremost. All Washing Brothers people keep mentally that we offer not only product but a fine solution. Our product range is in field of agriculture machinery, industry machines, transportation, infrastructure, entertainment, and medical devices. We sincerely welcome friends from all over the world to visit our company and cooperate with us on the basis of long-term mutual benefits. Our mission is 100% responsible for your products. We are looking forward to receiving your inquiries soon.
Our mission is 100% responsible for your orders.